ವಾಯನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಂತ ಭೂಕುಸಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾವಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ದಿನದಿಂದ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸದ್ಯದ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 330 ಸಾವಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂಡವರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ಸೇನೆಯ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಸಾಹಸ ಪಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯೋಧರು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. 36 ಗಂಟೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡಿಯರ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 190 ಅಡಿ ಉದ್ದದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇದು. 24 ಟನ್ ತೂಕವನ್ನ ತಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಾಹನಗಳು ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಸ್ತೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಸೇತುವೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನಿರ್ನಾಮ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಾಹನಗಳ ಓಡಾಟಕ್ಕೆ, ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇಂಥದೊಂದು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಸೇನೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗಿದೆ.
So an update today is D4, fourth day since we launched this operation. Yesterday we were successful in getting the bridge up. So we had the Madras Engineering Group, the Madras Sappers, whose engineer task force came here, and they worked day and night for 2 days. That is yesterday and the day before yesterday, and we were able to erect this bridge by 6 o'clock in the evening yesterday. So this is a 190-foot long bridge with a 24-ton weight capability. So 24 tons trucks and heavy equipment can be transported on the other side. After it has come up, our efforts, we are able to move heavy equipment, excavators, etc. So our efficiency and our effort there has become much improved. So far, 200 plus bodies have been recovered, and we are searching now for possibility of any survivors anymore in the rubble which is down below. So on the bridge itself we had an engineer task force of 160 men. Other than that, there are many search parties which are going. We have divided the area into 6 zones, and we have search parties from the Army, NDRF, Navy, Coast Guard, local volunteers, the Fire Service Department, and we are using sniffing dogs, rescue dogs, as well as the locals who know the area. So they are telling us exactly which area to search, which are the houses, and that is greatly facilitating our effort.
Okay. What is the challenge of the rescue?
Initially we have come from outside. I'm from Bangalore, the Parachute Regiment Center, Bangalore. MEG had come from Bangalore. We had troops coming in from Trivandrum, from Kozhikode, from Kannur. So we were not familiar with the area. So the first challenge was, getting a sense and a feel of exactly where our effort is required. So that took us some time. With the help of the local administration, satellite photos, we were able to understand exactly where the effort should be put in. And because of the rain and the bad weather, helicopter sorties were not possible. So aerial reconnaissance became a difficulty. And other than that, no major challenges.
Any hidden places in there?
No, there is a lot of rubble and houses which have collapsed. So under those, there is a possibility of victims still being trapped inside or bodies inside.
Rescue operation, how many days goes on?
4 days are over. Now the major part is, in a sense, is over, but the rehabilitation and search will take time.
Okay.
So the immediate part, as I see it, is over now. It will remain, till the time the replacement bridge is made by the state government. This bridge should continue to remain here.
ಇದು ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ.
ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ ನ್ಯೂಸ್.